Welcome, family. Today we're going to make a breakfast casserole from Karen Jones Food and Family Cookbook. So come join me. Okay, I've got the half a pound of breakfast sausage almost cooked up here. You don't want to cook it all the way because it's going to cook in the oven. So when it's almost done, which it's pretty close, I got my oven on 350 and I got a 8x8 and I'm going to spray it. Okay. All right. Now we got the pan ready to go. So we're going to get this, and what we're going to do is I have the potatoes O'Brien, but I bought the Great Value brand. I got 2 cups in here. It's got the peppers and the onions in it. So I got that ready to go. 2 cups. I have 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, whatever kind you like, sharp or mild. I got mild. And I have 6 eggs. Okay, I'm going to put the eggs in here. The sausage is, it's not completely cooked. We don't want it completely cooked. I want to whip these up a little bit here. Now I'm going to add to that, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of milk. You could also use half heavy cream and half evaporated milk if you like. That's what she says on her instructions. And I will link her channel so you can go to her channel, and in her description she has the cookbook. And this is the cookbook that she's got a second one coming out soon, but I've got the volume 1. My husband was really excited about this breakfast casserole, so now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. She said you could substitute cream cheese for, I don't know what kind of cheese. I don't know how to pronounce that cheese. She's got, I don't know if you can see that right there. I'm not going to try to say it. But yeah. So I'm going to add that. It's a soft cheese. I'm going to use my fork here because it was in the fridge, so it's kind of cold. It's not going to really whip up really good here, but we're okay with that. The other cheese that she mentioned must be a softer cheese, but I had cream cheese, so I'm using. I tell you, it's been quite a day for me. I'm taking vacation pretty soon here. I have next week off, and I am taking vacation from YouTube. I will be just uploading my regular Friday video and answering my comments, but I need some time off. I'm probably pretty soon here. I'm going to take some time off. Too much is going on in my life with the work. Work is getting so busy, and I have to remember everything that from work because there's a lot to remember, all the stuff we do. And this is a busy time of year. And plus I have to remember everything for my husband. He's not real good at remembering what he has to do next. I don't know why I don't. So I'm his memory and my memory and working full time. Plus, you know, doing all the other duties. But I realized I haven't been sleeping very good, and I realized this morning that I need some time off. Because I actually, I got up early. I must have taken my meds and didn't remember I took my meds because, and I didn't remember what day it was, of course. So later I ended up taking tomorrow's medication. So I doubled up on my meds today, which is not good since I take thyroid medication and heart medication, but I doubled up on it. The only thing I've noticed is that I've just been really groggy today. But I did okay driving. I had to drive 60 miles. But I did okay. But yeah, I just realized then that I really need some time off. I need to take time off from everything and just basically take care of my husband and just think about my husband and you know, taking care of the house, because you know, things need to get done now that it's fall. Fall's coming really fast, so I need to, you know, the garden needs to be cut down. All right, so now I got that the best I could. It says to beat eggs with milk and then whip in the cheese. Okay, now I'm going to stir in the cheddar cheese, 2 cups. Stir that in. Okay. Okay, now I can add the half a pound of breakfast sausage to that. Okay. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. I'm not going to add too much salt because of the cheese and the sausage. And I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, it says. And it does say 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, but ground red pepper, but I don't have that. So you know what? I'm going to throw in some red pepper flakes, just a little bit. Okay, get that mixed up. Now it says, now we take our 2 cups of our potatoes and we spread that evenly on the bottom. And that's not going to be enough for me. So these are frozen, but they'll thaw out in the oven. I'm going to add some more. 2 cups wasn't enough to fill my pan. Sorry, Karen, I'm changing your recipe. But this will make my husband really happy anyway, so. Okay, that's good. Oh, that smells good. Now I'm going to pour this over here. Oh, this does look good. All right, now bake for 45 to 55 minutes. And then if it starts getting too brown on top, then I can add, I'll keep an eye on it, and then I'll add some aluminum foil until it just comes out, you know, so it's set when it comes out. All right, we'll be back then. Okay. This, oh, smells so good. And when I check it, see, comes out clean. So it's done. Now we can, oh yeah. This looks really good. It's hot, it's hot. Oh yeah. Look at that. Can you see the potatoes in there? Oh yeah. Let's eat some. Thanks for joining me today for breakfast casserole. Just look at how good that looks. All those potatoes in there, the yummy potatoes. Let's try it. Melty cheese. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Karen knows what she's doing. This is delicious, Karen. You gotta check out her channel. I'll put it in the description or in the title. Gotta get her cookbook. It's really good. Yes. I'm sorry I didn't give you the first bite. Of course. Here, I'll give you a bite now. Whoops. Hey. There you go. Look at that cheese. Mm-hmm. My dog is looking at me. Sorry, baby girl. You don't get this. Thanks for joining me today. And I think I said that already. That's all right. But I'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.